So, you want to get certified in cybersecurity? I will help you every step of the way. Welcome back. Today, we're tackling a critical challenge: how to optimize your cloud spending without compromising your security. It's a balancing act, and getting it right is essential for sustainable cloud success. We'll explore why this is so important and how to achieve it. The cloud offers incredible scalability and flexibility, but it can also lead to runaway costs if not managed carefully. Effective cost optimization means maximizing the value you get from your cloud investment. This includes identifying and eliminating waste, choosing the right resources for your workloads, and leveraging pricing models effectively. It's about being efficient, not just cheap. Now let's talk about security. Cost optimization should never come at the expense of security. Cutting corners on security to save a few dollars can lead to catastrophic consequences: data breaches, downtime, and reputational damage that far outweigh any initial cost savings. In fact, good security practices often contribute to cost optimization in the long run. So, how do we achieve this balance? Several strategies can help. First, right-sizing your resources. Ensure you're not paying for more capacity than you need. Second, automation. Automate security tasks to reduce both risk and manual effort. Third, cloud-native security tools. Leverage the security features provided by your cloud provider, which are often cost-effective. Fourth, regular monitoring and analysis. Track both your costs and your security posture to identify areas for improvement. Finally, FinOps, Cloud Financial Operations, a framework to bring financial accountability to cloud spending. Let's look at some real-world examples. Companies that successfully optimize costs while maintaining strong security often have these things in common. They use infrastructure as code to automate deployments, ensuring consistency and reducing errors. They implement strong identity and access management to control who can access resources. They use data encryption to protect sensitive information, and they have a clear governance framework that aligns security and cost objectives. In conclusion, cost optimization and security are not mutually exclusive. They're two sides of the same coin. By adopting a proactive, strategic approach, you can achieve both. Remember to continuously monitor, adapt, and stay informed about the latest best practices. And with that, we completed this lesson. In the next part of this series, we'll dive into the future of cloud security, trends and challenges. For more valuable content, come visit our website, securetechacademy.com. Sign up for our newsletter and explore our premium courses on Udemy, designed with you in mind, using the latest technology to be more engaging at a lower price. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.